if you're curious about what it's like inside the Hey Lady platform, let me take you on a quick tour. When you first join Hey Lady, you'll arrive here. All new members are guided step by step to set up their profile and learn the basics of the Hey Lady way. These links take you to the various spaces around the platform. Let me show you our events. In Hey Lady, an event is simply a conversation or an activity that's happening at a scheduled time. Here on our events page, you'll find everything from casual chats to study groups to lessons and workshops where you can learn new skills. As you can see, there are events happening around the clock and all through the night. There are lots of options to choose from, and you can join as many as you like. Hey Lady events are hosted by our team of coaches and community managers, and most importantly, by our members. Every event in Hey Lady is an opportunity for you to meet different people and practice using English to talk about different topics. If you're nervous about joining your first event, don't worry. In Hey Lady, you'll be surrounded by women who understand what that feels like. You won't be judged for making mistakes. It's in these conversations that you'll build your fluency and your confidence to use your English in real conversations with real people. Speaking of people, let me show you our members page. Our community includes women from more than 120 countries. This page is where you can find people who share your interests, people who you might like to meet. We make it easy to see exactly what you have in common and easy to reach out and connect via chat. You can reach out to new friends that you meet here or connect in larger groups. Now, if you love the idea of meeting different people from all around the world, then you're going to love our live coffee tables. This is the perfect way to practice your conversation skills in a relaxed atmosphere with people who are online at the same time as you are. Shall we grab a seat?
Yeah, I'm going to the beach this weekend. What about you ladies?
Hi, ladies.
Hey, I am.
So what are you chatting about?
Oh, we're just chatting about plans for the weekend.
Sounds so good. I'm just taking someone on a quick tour of the platform. So I'll jump out, but enjoy your chat.
No worries. Okay.
Later. Before you go, I have just a couple more places to show you. In Hey Lady, we not only support your journey with opportunities to practice speaking, we also provide you with lessons and inspiration to expand your knowledge of English. This is our topics page. This is where you can find English lessons and study materials to practice and improve. The current topic is the one we're all talking about right now. Click inside and you'll find lessons and workbooks prepared by our coaches to learn new vocabulary, practice your pronunciation, and dive deeper into conversation skills. We also have a topic library, a grammar library, and a resources page that you can explore in your own time. Do you like reading and writing in English? This is our Memberzine, our community magazine. It contains beautiful articles written by our members to share their stories and practice their creative writing skills. Of course, this is a lovely place to connect with other members by commenting on their articles. So I hope that quick tour helped you to see how the Hey Lady platform and our community will help you on your journey to fluent, confident English. If you have any questions, send us a message. Our support team will be so glad to help. Thanks for watching.